They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, and in a presentation, a well-chosen gesture can replace several paragraphs. Now, I have a grandmother in one of my classes, and we talked about she was watching the security camera footage from her house. She was in her kitchen. Everybody, the entire family was there. There were people everywhere. And while she's watching the security camera footage, out of her eye in the kitchen, she watched her granddaughter. And her granddaughter was 2 years old. And she slipped out the back door and she walked across the pool deck, and then she disappeared over the edge and into the pool. Now, when this student of mine talked about this event, she stopped at that moment and she just grabbed her chest. And her face collapsed, and it looked a little bit like she was fighting back tears. And then she took a very long pause and she said, "She's fine. She's fine. She really is fine." Her father came out right after her, grabbed her and pulled her out, and she was fine. But I have to say that that clutch of her chest was just powerful, because she said she slipped across the edge into the pool, and she summed up the complex set of feelings that she felt and that we all felt without saying anything. We knew what she was going through, but it felt so powerful just for her to gesture rather than saying it. So look through your own presentation and ask you, could I replace any of these paragraphs in here with one carefully chosen gesture?